अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम बनाएंगे मैंगलोरियन स्टाइल मीट राइस बॉल। दिस इज़ सच अ ओल्ड एंड ट्रेडिशनल रेसिपी। इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम मैंगलोर और इफ़ यू हैव एवर विजिटेड मैंगलोर, यू माइट हैव ट्राइड दिस, क्योंकि मैंगलोर के हर घर में ये तो बनता ही है। फर्स्टली यू नीड टू फाइनली चॉप द ऑनियंस, टोमेटोज and some fresh coriander leaves, then keep it aside. Now take a cooking pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, add finely chopped onions, fry the onion till it slightly changes its color. Don't over fry the onion. Add a pinch of salt and then you have to add finely chopped tomatoes. Fry till it melts completely and then you have to add pre-boiled meat. I have pre-boiled the meat with salt, bay leaves and black pepper powder. Boil the meat, let it cool down and then you have to shred and add it to the pan. Add a tablespoon of a ginger garlic paste, red chili paste, freshly chopped coriander leaves. You have to cook the masala till the water dries out completely. Now in a separate pan, take some fresh grated coconut. Roast in a very low flame until it changes into slightly brown color. Now add the entire pan roasted grated coconut to the meat masala. At the end, add 1 tablespoon of a garam masala, then mix everything together. Now at this point you have to cook it in a very low flame. It will just take a minute and that's it. This dish is purely made in Karnataka region and I don't think other than Karnataka any other states of India make this dish. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this recipe in any other state of the country. And the inner filling, the meat masala, is ready. Now for the outer rice ball layer, we need to soak white rice overnight with water and the next morning throw away the soaked water, add rice in a blender jar. Add salt and water and then blend it for few minutes. Now pour all the prepared batter in a pan. The batter consistency shouldn't be too thin or thick. It should be neutral in between. Now you have to place this pan in a very low flame. Use a wooden spatula and start mixing. This step will take some time and will require a great arm strength. Slowly after some time the batter will start thickening as shown in the video. As soon as the batter leaves the pan, and it forms like a dough-like consistency, that's it, the dough is ready. Take a small amount of dough and make a small rice ball and check if the dough is ready or not. Now the continuation of a recipe was done and recorded by my husband as I was busy in a very important meeting. Okay, so now this is the way you have to turn your dough into. Make a deep hole in the dough and then you have to add a filling. Add only a required amount of a filling, do not overfill, or else it won't turn into a proper ball shape, it will break into parts. This recipe is very simple and easy to make but requires little time and efforts, and that's it. Honestly, in my childhood, I never liked this dish. But right now, I crave for these rice balls. And now I make these rice balls every Saturday. You have to place all the rice balls in a steamer and steam it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And that's it guys, your delicious meat rice balls are ready to be served. If you have made a lot of rice ball, then you don't need to worry, you can place it in a refrigerator and next day you can steam it and have it. And the next day it will be more delicious. If you like the video and the recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that when I upload a new video, you will be the first one to watch it.